Hello guys, today we will be discussing the arithmetic unit computation system and what design I have for it. So basically what this is that this is Arduino Mega, right? I'm still in process of building this, so I'm just explaining. So this is Arduino Mega. This can perform all the computations for this computer. This is Arduino Mega 2560, revision number 3. And so basically what it is that there's going to be 3 sets of DIP modules, each with 4 switches each. So these DIP switches, this computer's going to be able to perform 4-bit operations. So we have 4 bits here, 4 bits here, and then now the third DIP switch set is going to be the inputs that we have, right? So computer must know what operation that we're doing, right? So the most effective way to compute that is that we enter in a certain code. Certain code corresponds to a certain operation, like 1100 corresponds to an addition operation, and 0011 corresponds to a subtraction operation, and so on forth, right? So we have that here, right? So that's great. This is what the input word is for, right? So then this is going to be, the microcontroller is going to be computing all of this, right? So as of what I've gotten so far, right, if we look a little closer, so this is power supply module. This is where we get the power from, right? There's a nice toggle switch here, so we'll be able to control it, right? Now moving on here, this is our power LED, right? And what I've placed here is an optocoupler. So essentially what this is a small integrated circuit, as you can see. So this is the 4N, getting up closer to the camera, 4N35 model for optocoupler, right? So essentially what this does is that the power LED, right, if there's too much voltage, right, and it goes past the resistor K, it's not going to break this LED. So it's just going to go through the optocoupler and that's going to stop it, right? This is essentially like the power circuit, like protection, right, in case it goes in, right? Now this is the Elegoo Mega 2560 revision number 3, okay? So this is going to be performing all our computations, right? So let's take a look at the hardware for it, right? So this is, of course, reset button over here. So if we press it, it's going to reset it, right? And then here's the main Mega processor for this, okay? Then over here we have, I believe, as you can see here, 16 megahertz oscillator. So this is the clock speed for that, right? And now this is the voltage regulator. Okay, there's voltage regulators here, okay? Now this is DC power jack, and this is another, this is a USB jack, okay? And then here we have some capacitors. So now let's take a look at what I have so far. Okay, let's just see it turn on. So you connect it here first to an external source. We have it right here. Okay, so now if we turn it on, right, so you can see that this is power LED, make sure power module is working. This is the general LED that's with the optocoupler, just to make sure that all the power rails have power. And then this is the actual Arduino Mega. So I plan to expand on this further, and I'll update you if there's any other things. Thank you for listening.